Hi, this is Alison again, and today I'm going to tell you the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous. Sometimes they can be used in the same way, it depends on the context, but sometimes they are totally different. And this is a common mistake that advanced students make. All right, so let's start. So here, present perfect tense, I'll give you one example like this. For example, present perfect tense is, you remember, is has or have with the past participle, right? So an example would be, I have cleaned the car. What is present perfect continuous? What is the structure? The structure is like that. Has or have plus the being and with the verb in the ing form. Okay, so it will be something like that. I have been cleaning the car. What is the difference between I have cleaned the car and I have been cleaning the car? Okay, here, I've cleaned the car. What does it mean? If you have seen my video, my previous video, you would know that I've cleaned the car means that the car is clean now because you have already finished it. You have already cleaned the car. Well, what's happening here? I have been cleaning the car. It doesn't mean that the car is clean. So I have been cleaning the car, but maybe you stopped. You stopped to answer a phone call. You stopped because you had something to do. It doesn't mean that the car is clean. So the job is unfinished. It can be finished or unfinished, okay? And you also use present perfect continuous when something has just happened. For example, you have, and you also have evidence. You have evidence. For example, you look tired, okay? So this is evidence, evidence that you're tired. And you ask that person, what have you been doing? Okay, so when you see the evidence and something has just happened, you use present perfect continuous. And so I'll just put point one here, point one, and point two, and point three. What happens in point three? Something that happened in the past, started in the past, and is still going on right now. So something like, I have been living here for 10 years. I have been living here for 10 years. What does it mean in Italian? It means vivo qui da 10 anni. So you are still living here. And remember, this is for, because in Italian it's da, but da can mean many words in English. So for I've been living here for 10 years. You say for because for, I would like to remind you, for is used for a duration, la durata. So 10 years is a duration. And you use since when there is a specific date. An example, I have been living here since 2010. So 2010 is a date, it is not a duration. So you use the word since. Italian da. So vivo qui da 2010. Okay? In this case, it will be the same. If you say something like, I have lived here for 10 years, it's the same thing. Vivo qui da 10 anni. So it depends on the context. Sometimes they can be used in the same way, and sometimes they have different meanings. I hope that this was clear for you, so I'll see you in my next video, okay? If you like this video, click the button subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Goodbye.